get all the nectar, and asuras are left high and dry. And now they start feeling very very cheated and disgusted. And then they see the prosperity because devas have become strong now. So they see that, and then they become so jealous. These sons of Diti, Kashyapaniಗೆ Aditi Diti. Diti ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸುರರು, ಆದಿತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಿತ್ಯರು, good devatas. So now they see the enemies, the prosperity of the devas. So, and these asuras become very jealous, and now they are enjoying. So now asuras, what they do is, they discuss among themselves. Bali is the leader of these asuras. Now what he will do is he will attack devas with his full army. ಬಿಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ, ಇಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they go and attack. And how they attack, and again it becomes a very very serious battle, full of antara, the whole, all the three worlds will witness a very very bad, it's kind of a battle only. So the worst part of this is asuras, particularly Bali, he has a vehicle called Vaihayasa. Suddenly it becomes, it disappears. There is so much of Maya, power of Maya with him. Immediately he disappears, and then these devatas don't know whom to attack. So ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವನು ಇಂದ್ರನಿಗೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ದೇವತಾಸ್, ಅಸುರಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ with lot of power and full of wrath because ಅವನು that revenge they have to take now because of this amrita they did not get, no, so they have to take that revenge. So they come with full force. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಧೂಳ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಡೆತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಬಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. even though it is a loka of devatas and asuras, the same similar thing will keep happening. Rakshasas bartarante, lot of description is there. So then what happens is, now again Vishnu intervenes. Again Vishnu, when he sees that these asuras are using their magical devices, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹರಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ rules and regulations, ಅಂದ್ರೆ probably he would have given time and okay, once devatas will win, once asuras will win, ಈ ರೀತಿ he would have accepted. Now these people are using all nasty methods. So then he comes, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು same he comes on the Garuda with all his kaustuba ornaments, shanka, chakra, gada, padma, that is the conch, the discus, and the mace, and the lotus. His typical description, very majestic looking, with so much of glow on his face. So with all that he comes, and he will, the minute he lands, all those magical things which they were trying to do, everything just disappears. So he will cut the heads of so many asuras, and then Indra and Vayu, they will recover, they'll become stronger, and now their counterpart is Bali. So this Indra joragi ಏನು, I will come and attack you ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಜೋರ್, you fool, don't think great of yourself, ಹಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬಲಿ, ಮಹಾಬಲಿ, ಅವನು ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಅವರ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ. And Prahalada is a son of Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu. So the whole dynasty, they are very strong people. In addition to that strength, they have blessings of Hari also, because Prahalada was born in their family. So Bali, he replies to Indra. Indra jor mattaninda, with lot of arrogance and ego. Actually, Indra was nobody. Only when now again Vishnu came, he becomes little powerful. So he comes and he roars like an arrogant fellow. So Bali says, people engage. It's very beautiful. Some dialogues I'm going to take them, others I'm going to summarize. So Bali says, people engage themselves in war under prompting of their collective karma. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು accumulated karma ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್, ಆ ಕರ್ಮ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಂದಾಗ, when the right time comes, people will get into war. And when they are engaged in war, Bali is saying, fame, success, defeat, and death, it can occur, any of these can occur in turns ante. Sometimes they will become famous, sometimes they'll become successful, sometimes they get defeated, sometimes they die, some of them die, depending on the karma and whether the time has come. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಳ ಭೈರವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಹತ್ವ ಇದೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ. We believe so much when the time comes, ಅಂದ್ರೆ when the karma accumulates at that particular time. So everything is dependent on time. So therefore, ಬಲಿ ಹೇಳೋ ಮಾತಿದು, ನೈದರ್ ವಿಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ನಾರ್ ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್. ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ ಮಾಡೋ, ನಿಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ನಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ equanimity, stand of equanimity. Wise men find regulating the influence of time in all matters. Wise men find regulating influence. Wise men find regulating influence of time in all matters. So they are not elated in success or failure. Actually, Bali is an evolved asura. Bali is an evolved asura. Obviously, he comes from the dynasty of Prahalada, isn't it? So, Indra, you are not aware of this ankotini. Don't worry. Naanadru gelbeku, neenadru gelbeku. It depends on time. Let's fight antan. Avaga, then what happens is Indra takes an upper hand. Bali falls on the ground. He defeats him, with a lot of injury, almost death agirtade. Then other asuras are also killed, and then they go back. So Indra will attack everybody. Victory of Indra ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. And ಆಮೇಲೆ there will be one ನಮೂಚಿ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಸುರ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನ್ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂದ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಂಭವ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಆಗಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ದ ದೇವಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಿನ್. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ದೆನ್ ಭಾಗವತ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮನ್ವಂತರಾಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಟು ದೋಸ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. ನೌ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ವಿ ಸಾ ದಟ್ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಡೆಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆತ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅಸುರಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ರನ್ನು ಶುಕ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಅಂಡ್ ಭೃಗು, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಕುಲಗುರುಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಸುರರಿಗೆ, ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ದೇ ರಿವೈವ್ ದೆಮ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಅಸುರಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ಸಿ. ಈಗ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ he was actually killed and deprived of all his realms. Then he will be revived by his teachers, including teachers. They are called ಭೃಗುಸ್, including ಶುಕ್ರ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಂತ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಇದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್. he will get one chariot, he will get all those things based because of the power of these teachers. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಂದ್ರನ್ ಲೋಕನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂದ್ರಂದು ಭಯಂಕರ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ನಡೀತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ರಿವೈವ್ ಆದ್ರು. Indra is enjoying, all Devatas, Indra and his Devatas are all enjoying the heaven, which they get back. Asuras would have taken. Now they get back after the Samudra Manthana, Martond attack admel bartade. Then, now Mahabali, adella nodbittu, he wants to now possess that. Now he wants to possess. So Indra, Mahabali ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, he will take all that support. ಸಮುದ್ರ ಮಂಥನ ಆಯ್ತು, ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಗೆದ್ರು, ಮತ್ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ದೆನ್ ಇಂದ್ರ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೆಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಸುರಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. Indra gains back and Mahabali is brought back by ಶುಕ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್. ಇವ್ರು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹಂಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವೈವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೆನ್ ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮತ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದ ಹೆವನ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಹೆವನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿ ಓವರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್. ಯಾರು? ಮಹಾಬಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ all the Devatas are pushed outside heaven. Mahabali has occupied all these, his entire kingdom. Yardru Indran kingdom occupied by Mahabali. Illi Aditi, mother of Indra and other this thing. So she, what is the birth of now Vamana. So Aditi, she is worried. Kashyapa, her husband. You remember 10,000 years of tapas he would have done. So ಅವನು ತಪಶ್ಚರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Then he will come in between. ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೈನ್, ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕೇಳೋದು. ದಿತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಆರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವೈಫ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳು ಅಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? The asuras have taken away our children. Ellarnu they have pushed us out. I'm staying alone. All our children have gone hiding because otherwise they will be killed by asuras. So we need to be protected. Now maklana vapas, I want to see them in the same splendor. Why should they suffer like this anta Kashyapa heli yenadru madri anta. Kashyapa is a Brahman putra avanu, Kashyapa rishi. So he is actually Prajapati. He is also one Prajapati. So he has powers, but he won't give that direct powers to her, and or he will not say ಒಂಥರ ವರದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಆತರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಯು ಡೂ ಒನ್ ವ್ರತ. ಇಂಥ ಕಷ್ಟದೊಳಗೆ ಶಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಪಾಪ. ಆಲ್ ಹರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ನೈಸ್, he says, in such distress, when we are in such distress, nothing can help but intense prayer to Lord Hari. Intense prayer. So all of us will pray whenever we are in distress or something. We do pray. But ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕುತ್ತು ಬಂದಾಗ we keep on asking astrologer, or we will ask what is Sade Sati Banta, Shani Kata idya, Rahu idya. Sometimes it continues the certain what I should say, bad moment, bad times in our life. All of us would have experienced. So we will not know what to do. Our time only this kind of suggestions, no, what Kashyapa says. Actually, maklu mari anta badkobada ನೀನು Aditi. Children, Atman is there in everybody and we are not related. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ spiritually. But he knows Aditi cannot overcome the grief of her children's separation. So he tells her, no, then you can do Payovrata anta. Payovrata anta ಒಂದು ವ್ರತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. I'll not go into details of what to do. But basically, what it means is that you have to take bath, just similar to the previously whatever they have described, and do Vishesha Puja for 12 days. Continuously, 12 days you should do like a tapas. You have to do this puja, haridu, adu ಮೂರ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಡಸ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 12th day ಹರಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಅವಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಲಿ ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, he appears and then she will be so excited, trembling with emotions born of his vision, with horripilation all over her body. ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ಜುಮ್ ಅಂದು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Because all the 12 days she has been doing japa, meditation, puja. She is doing nothing but Vishnu's tapas. Anybody, nam Guruji ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, when anybody does this kind of tapas, no, it is guaranteed, he used to say. Even Nirvananji Saraswati ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, Laita Sahasranama, continuous chanting madri 108 times, continuously 108 times. So that means twice, thrice, 4 times. ಅದೇ ಧ್ಯಾನದಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ definitely you will get what you ask for. And if you ask for divine vision, you will get that also. Similarly, 12th day, he comes, and then ಅವಳು ಆದಿತಿ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ಅವಾಗ ಹರಿದು ಮಾತುಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸನ್ಸ್, and I know that you want to see your children well set, and the asuras should die because they have spoiled the entire your system. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I will fulfill your desire, because my worship done with faith must yield the result due to it. That statement is so important. If anybody does, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Aditi, she would have done prayer with ಇದು ಹೇತು ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ with a purpose, no problem. ಭಕ್ತಿ ಒಳಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದಂತವದಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಥ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಅರ್ಥಾರ್ಥಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಥ in distress, she is in distress. So she has prayed God that release my sons There's nothing wrong. There's absolutely nothing wrong because she wanted her kids. She asked and God gave. So he says, my worship done with faith must yield result. So I am not going to deprive any devotees if at all they have done my prayers. And the Heli, you have done the Payovrata and you have invoked me by a hymn. And residing in the austerity of Kashyapa, I will be born to you as a son ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು he will give darshan and he says I'll be born as your son, and part of me will come, part of me as dwelling in your husband, live with, meditating on this form of mine as dwelling in your husband, live with him, meditating upon me as though I'm living with Prajapati, your husband. So live with him, and then the son. Live means you will have relation and you will have a son. But you should not reveal these matters to anybody. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. He says, because matters of divine significance have to be protected from publicity if they are to fructify. Very important statement I have underlined here. See, if somebody gets this kind of vision or this kind of, you may not directly see God, but you may experience some kind of miracle. Suddenly, it happens. But don't discuss. You have done some puja for continuous, and then you feel. Keep it for yourself because otherwise they may not fructify. ಅಂತ ವಿಷ್ಣುನ್ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. He says, Sarvam Sampadyate Devi Deva Guhyam Susamvrutam. Guhyavagi idbeku. You should keep it as a secret. So then Lord disappears. After some time, she delivers. Yaru Aditi delivers, and then he is born. And when he is born, ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವತೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ, all the celestial beings, they shower flowers from the Swargaloka and all that. And Hari, when he's born, he actually shows her first his actual form, Shankha Chakra Gada, that form he shows her. And then after that, he immediately becomes a small dwarf-like creature. Then he is called as a Vamana. He transforms that because others should not come to know. So now he is a Brahmachari. He is born in the ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ ಯಾದವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಾಮನ ಅವತಾರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಜಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಡೂ ಉಪನಯನ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರ. by sun Suryadeva himself initiates Gayatri mantra. Everybody gives him gifts. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ now Vamana is now adolescent. Adolescent means what? He is an incarnation only. Now on the other side, Mahabali, who has occupied all the heaven, everything, enjoying all those, he performs Ashwamedha Yajna under Shukracharya. And everything ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಷಲ್ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಯಜ್ಞ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ people come, they give lot of dana, they ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Very interestingly, it will be on the northern bank of Narmada at a place called Brigukacha. So ಪೃಥ್ವಿ ಮೇಲೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಪೃಥ್ವಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು. So everybody, and slowly then there comes this brahmachari. ಅವನು, he has a ಜುಟ್ಟು, he has one ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ ಅಂತ ಶಲ್ಯ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ he walks with that, and as he enters, and one ಕಮಂಡಲು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. one umbrella ಇರ್ತದೆ, umbrella, and there is a stick, staff, umbrella and kamandalu. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು he walks, short statured. As he walks, everybody will be forced to look at him ante, at the brilliance of his face, the way he walks. Short statured nodidre adra that internal strength is so much ante. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದೇನು ಸೂರ್ಯ ದೇವನ, ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇದು, ವಿಚ್ ಡೈಟಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ they will be wondering. Bali, as is Mahabali, immediately he'll get up from his seat. He considers him as a great brahmachari. Kutkuli anbitu. He will give him place. He'll wash his feet, and then whatever he washes his feet in that plate, that water he takes and puts it on his head on it, because he seems to be a great brahmachari. Any brahmachari guest has come, and I see God in them directly, because Mahabali is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ God fearing ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. And Vedas always asuras are chanting and all that. So it is so sacred ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವನು he appreciates him. So your arrival has brought satisfaction to my ancestors and purification of my dynasty. And this sacrifice, Ashwamedha Yajna, has now become very perfect by the presence of people, person like you anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. See, the real householder, true householder, whether he is Asura or Deva, Mahabali can be considered as one of the ideal person, because he respects his ancestors, he respects his dynasty, he respects his legacy, not criticizing ayyo ideno adeno. That's why he has become a very, very popular. Though he is no more, Mahabali ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ್ ಅಂತಾರನೆ, may not be as much as him, but he also has become a great person in the history. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ತೊಳೆದು ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ನೌ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಾಶ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ feet, and with that water I have cleansed myself, I have become purified. So when I have become purified, whatever I am offering is also pure. So this part of earth also has become purified by your handsome limbs. Ashtu papa, ashtu respect kottu kottu avನಿಗೆ papa, you feel little bad actually. Then he says, I think you have come here seeking something, because I have been giving charity. Whatever you ask, it shall be yours. Whatever you ask, it shall be yours. I shall grant you anything: cows, gold, house, meal, drink, damsel to wed, lady if you want, prosperous villages, horses, chariots, whatever you want, you ask. Least we would have expected that this small brahmachari will ask anything like this. And Papa, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದಾರಶಾಲಿ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿ. So sometimes though we do everything correctly with a lot of devotion, everything, a lot of effort, lot of devotion, everything surrender, andru kuda ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ suffering ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, just like what Mahabali undergoes now. Lord was very much pleased, and equally he reciprocates Vamana. He doesn't know that he is Lord Mahavishnu. Vamana ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, you got a teacher like Shukracharya of Bhrugu's line, and you have an ancestor like Prahalada, who is most noted for his devotion. And in this line of years, there has never been an undignified man, undignified to refuse the request of a holy person. Your royal family has never shown any reluctance to give to somebody. Dana madbekar. Prahalada shines in your house. Hiranyaksha nim chikkappa nimma ವಂಶದವನೇ Hiranyaksha, who was born in this family, could not get an opponent of his worthy of his. Even Mahavishnu had to, when he took the earth, Mahavishnu, he gave a tough time to Mahavishnu himself ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ವಾಮನ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜ ಈವನ್ ವಿಷ್ಣುಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲರ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಯೋರ್ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೇಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪು ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಅಂಡ್ he will not tell he's Vishnu. So both of them. And to your father, I don't know this reference, he says Devatas came and begged to give his life, and your father has given his life to Devatas, knowing that they were Devadeva. They came in disguise. It seems Devatas came in disguise and asked him to give this one, and then he has given. So like that, everybody in your family has been so generous. I am asking just 3 paces, 3 feet space I want. Anta helbiಡ್ತಾನೆ. I just want 3 feet space. Your words are noble enough. You have appreciated my ancestors. It is so wise of you and so kind of you to have spoken. in meaningful and dignified way. But you show immaturity. You have childish, you still show because you don't think you know what you want. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Just 3 pieces. People can 3 feet of place. I am the master of the whole world, and I have got control on the entire this one. I can gift you the whole continent, but you have asked me just 3 feet space. You stupid ಅಂತ ಬೈತಾನ. Ask, oh boy, ಅಂತೆ. Ask me land sufficient to maintain your life ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ how cleverly and cunningly Vishnu answers. He says, oh, a person, adhyatma ಹೇಳಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಈಗ. Now he will tell all kinds of detachment talks. Vamana says, a person who is not satisfied with 3 feet space will not be satisfied with anything. Even if you give him Jambudvipa, he will tell, I want that. So never anybody will be satisfied. That is why I have asked only 3 feet space. And the person who is not satisfied will not be satisfied even if he gets Jambudvipa. Have you heard that even emperors like Prithu and Gaya, they were masters of 7 continents. Still they were not satisfied. And the person who has no mastery on his mind will never be satisfied. The chief cause for this, you know what? It's all Maya, samsara, hange, hinge. It is contentment should be there. Manushanige aa contentment nanigide because he wants to impress Mahabali with his words. So he says idella ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Mahabali will ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನಗ್ತಾನಂತೆ. Okay, take whatever you want. ಇನ್ನು 3 feet ಜಾಗ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, take wherever you want. Immediately Shukra will come to him. Shukra, his teacher, he will ಅವನು ಬಂದು immediately he says, ನನಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, he is a reincarnation of Vishnu, son of Aditya and Kashyapa. I don't think, promise ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇವನು. You may take whatever you ask. You promised, but take it back. I don't consider that you should give him the 3 feet because ಇವನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಲ್ಲ. 3 feet ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ exactly will predict. ಯಾರು? ಶುಕ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ. 1 foot he will place on the earth, another foot he will place on the heaven, and then he'll push you to hell. Don't do that. And this brahmachari can assume the cosmic form. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ and charity ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Charity ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, not at the cost. This statement he says, charity that will jeopardize one's livelihood. ಅಂದ್ರೆ if you give entire thing, what will you do for your livelihood? No charity should be given in such a way that you will have to bhiksha. You have to ask begging for your own livelihood. You should not do that. Yoga, austerity and all is there as a means for your livelihood. Ishtu dodda yajna ಮಾಡಿ, ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿ, then what is the use? You should not do that. So, yes anta helbeda. Take back. It doesn't matter. Even if it is untruth, no problem. Because he says that there are circumstances, the Vedas says, you can tell lie under these circumstances. When you want to attract a woman to get married, when you want to preserve livelihood, ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ you can tell lie. To save oneself from death, to save a holy man or helpless creature, or save another man from death or great danger. Now, among these conditions, ಏನದು? When you want to attract a woman, when you are facing death, while preserving livelihood, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. So now your livelihood is at stake, no? So withdraw that promise. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. But ಇವನು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನು he says, ಇವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಹಾಬಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ, can I refuse? I have already promised. How can I refuse? Prithvi also says, I can put up with anybody, no, but not with a liar. And so I am not going to lie now. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು? ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್. ನಾಳೆ ಇವತ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ಫಿಲಾಸಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ he says. Anything that we have is going to be lost at the time of death. So then what is the use of all this? Let me give him whatever he says. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. How much glorious it is to satisfy an illumined person like you by providing your want. So I shall give what he has asked for. When I see that satisfaction on his face, I will become very, very happy. That is much more important for me and more satisfying than losing my keeping the wealth than keeping entire wealth. I'll be more happy. Mahabali is known as Dana Shura only, actually, just like Karna. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಅಸುರ ಶುಕ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು he curses him. You who consider yourself very learned but are ignorant and arrogant and disobeyed my order shall soon be deprived of all your wealth and glory. ಹೋಗ್ ನಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಶುಕ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ curses Mahabali. Now, even then, Mahabali will not deviate from truth. I have promised, I have to give. So saying, his wife also brings water. Avana henti hesaru Vindhyavali. She'll come with lot of her necklace, jewelry, ella bandu. She will give him water. Adu arigya bidtarala. While giving dana, they perform some rituals. So she will help him. He will perform. Amele, then what happens is, when the minute he does that, no, all the devatas and all, they'll be very happy, very pleased with his act, because even though his teacher has warned him, he says, I will not deviate from truth, even if I go to hell. That much of risk he takes and he offers. Now, following this, he knows he's going to lose everything. He offers. So what happens is, immediately Vamana assumes a Vishwarupa kind of this thing. He becomes so huge, very, very, very huge. 1 foot is placed on earth and the entire body traverses across all the lokas ante. Another foot goes on Satyaloka. Hinge illond pada, allond pada, and the whole body covers every direction. Not that Vishwarupa with multiple heads, Atharala. It is a Virat Roop, we can say. Gigantic form of Vishnu. That Vamana is seeing, the Mahabali is seeing, Asuras are seeing, everybody sees that. And they become very angry. Yaru Asuras. Agu saislik hogtara Vishnu ishtu dodda roopa idrunu. They'll go and try to attack him. In what way he will be attacked? Ashtu dodda roopa madkondu Vishnu. He assumes that and he goes there. And then ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, 2 places are over. Where is my 3rd place? He asks. He measures the entire earth with 1, occupies a sky with his body and another foot there. And where shall I keep the 3rd? Then he says, he puts his head down. He says, this is where you need to keep your head, 3rd one. Amele Papa, what he will do is, he will push him. He will push him down to the Rasatala. He will put him down, and all these Asuras also keep attacking. They want to attack. Mahabali says, no. Stop fighting. Idu statement chenagide. Stop fighting, retreat. Now this is not the time for us. We had our time. And Devatas were suppressed. That was our time. Now it is their time. So let us give up. And the same Bhagavan who favored us in the past and brought the downfall of Devas, now he is reversing his attitude, because this is the time for our downfall. And man cannot overcome or defeat time. Nobody can defeat time. Time bandaga we have to bend down. When the time says, andre, so many things are beyond our control. The time will decide what is good for us, what is bad for us. So if we also look at our life, you will see alternatingly, sometimes good, sometimes bad, or long good times, short bad times, long bad times, short good times. All that have happened, and we have gone through that, and we will again get to see. This is nothing but the Devas and Asuras. Asura time or Devas time, and what happens in our. So we should keep doing our responsibilities and bringing Hari. So he says, when time is again in our favor, we shall conquer the same people. Wait patiently. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಮಹಾಬಲಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಕಿ ದೇ ಪುಷ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ರಸತಲ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಯುವರ್ ಪೊಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್. So all your possessions have been taken, and you who cannot give what you promised is evidently the hell. ಯಾಕೆ hell ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು I had asked for 3 feet. Now 1 foot I have kept here, another foot I have kept there. Where is the 3rd foot? You have not given me. You did not fulfill your promise. Andre, he fixes Mahabali in a spot. He says 3. There is no 3rd place at all. He cannot go to hell. So he says, therefore you deserve to go to hell. See, this is for this reason, you have now to enter hell with the congratulations of your guru who has condemned you to this fate. Vamana would have decided to put Mahabali down to hell, but ಅಲ್ಲಿ context ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, Shukracharya also curses him. It is predetermined, but it comes through Shukracharya that you will lose everything and you will go to hell ಅಂತ ಶುಕ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ ಗುರು ಹೇಳಿದಾನಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. And one who deceives a suppliant, one who deceives ಅಂದ್ರೆ person who has come and asking, you have deceived me, because where is the place for the 3rd foot? You are not given me. So refused what is promised, all his hopes go in vain. Heaven is far from him, only downfall is near. So for long number of years, enjoy the fruits of hell, fruit of the deception you practiced. Hange appear ಆಗ್ತದೆ, you have deceived anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. People may say this is cheating, because Vamana, he came in the form of Vamana and he assumes Virat Rupa, and now he's saying he's cheating him. But this had to happen. Sometimes good people also will have to sacrifice in this manner for the benefit of the dharma. So that is the whole gist of that. So I think today we can wind up at this point of time. Krishna Arpana Mastu. So any addition? So this is about Mahabali. Inna ide munde Mahabali ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ chapters ಇದೆ. We'll take them in the next session. Anything would you like to add to this story? Have you heard anything more than this, or?
And Vamana allows him to visit once in a year, ma'am. That is when we celebrate Onam.
Okay. Maybe that comes in the next